Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let Q be the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point P to the plane this. Okay, so first let's try to draw the diagram. So, suppose that this is going to be our plane. Okay, so we have a point P whose foot of perpendicular is Q. So this is P and its foot of perpendicular will be Q. Now, if R is a point on the plane such that PRQ angle is 60 degree. So suppose that this is the point R. It is also on the plane and angle PRQ is what? 60 degree. Suppose this is 60 degree. Okay. Then the area of triangle PQR is. Great. So we need to find out area of triangle PQR. So according to you, what is area of triangle? It is half, then base. So base is what? QR. Half, base, and height. Height is what? PQ. Okay. So you know the point P is 1, 2, 3. So PQ is a distance, perpendicular distance. So can I do this thing? Distance PQ is equal to point satisfaction. So it is 1. Now we will satisfy 2 in this thing. So it will become 4 and then 3 and then minus 14. So point satisfaction upon root under a square, a is 1, b square, b is 2, plus c square, c is 1, and then put mod on it. So you will get your PQ done. So it is minus 6, so root 6. So you got root 6. So the length of PQ is root 6. Now look at the triangle PQR. So you got a triangle whose which is right angle triangle whose perpendicular is known, whose angle is known, and we need to find out the base. So perpendicular and base connects what? Tan theta. So can I use tan 60 equals to perpendicular PQ by base QR. Tan 60 is what? Root 3. And then PQ, length of PQ is root 6. And then QR. So this thing will simplify and we will be left with QR as 2. Now we can update this thing. So it is 1 by 2. QR is root 2. PQ is root 6. So from here we will have root 2. From here also we will have root 2. So root 2 into root 2 will become 2 and will be neutralized by the denominator 2. So we will be left with root 3 square unit. Therefore the area of the triangle PQR is root 3 square unit. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.